English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary, fast. CEFR A2. Awesome, believe, carefully. Awesome. Awesome is an adjective. A2 learners usually know awesome. At A2, awesome describes something that is very good. Here are some examples. Your dress is awesome. This steak is awesome. His knowledge of history is awesome. Believe. Believe is a verb. A2 learners usually know believe. To believe means to think that something is true. Here are some examples. You should believe me when I tell you these things. She believes that he took her money from her purse. One passenger is missing, believed dead. Carefully. Carefully is an adverb. A2 learners usually know carefully. Carefully describes the care with which an action is done. Here are some examples. She brushes her hair carefully every morning. He carefully replaced all the small parts of the engine. On icy roads, you need to drive carefully. Now write some of your own sentences with awesome, believe and carefully. Download the free A2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.